If you have ever wanted to check out crypto trading but felt confused by the complex app out there, this review is for you. We are talking about Aivora crypto trading app. So Aivora is a clean, simple and modern app for trading and watching all your favorite digital coins. It's built to be an easy home base for everyone. Whether you are just starting or you have been trading for a while, it's all about making the crypto world accessible. The app is built with strong technology that help it work smoothly even when millions of people are using it at the same time. You won't have to worry about screen freezing when the market gets big. Now let's go to my phone screen so I can show you the most exciting part, the unique tools they offer.
So before I proceed, I want you to know that this video is for educational purpose and try to do proper due diligence. And also I'm going to be dropping a full documentary and educational details on my Telegram channel, and you can find my Telegram channel on the bio of this current channel you are currently watching this video on, and list of my other channel are also in the bio. So with that being said, let's proceed. Now let me talk about the most exciting part of this trading app. The unique features that they have that make me to talk about it so much is this their AI tools, which is called the Aivora, which is a smart AI helper for analysis. It is not just a robot or a tools that trade for you, but is a powerful tools that reads the market for you. It helps you look at trends and data much faster than you could do alone. It's just like having a very experienced friend who organizes all the complicated charts and information so you can clearly see what's happening before you decide what to do next in the market. So like what is saying on this test, or you can see what the AI have just replied. You can see the forecast that the AI have just made. Is saying that I am your AI assistant, which you can see is calling it Aivora. Yes, to this market analysis I prepared for you. If you go down here, you can see that it's saying that stock market information for Bitcoin is here, a crypto in a crypto ready, and it's saying that the price is about 92,423 USDT. That's the current price of BTC, and you can see change of about 1,887 USD. That is about 0.2% from the previous close. So the intra-trade high is, so the information here you can just read it out and you can see that the AI assistant is really good. So apart from that, you can see that the app is available on the iOS, that's the App Store, and it's still available on an Android, that's the Google Play Store. So these are places you can get to get the app directly from. And so the trading app is growing quickly all over the world because the app is simple and popular with people who use their phone for everything, especially newer traders who want to learn without getting overwhelmed. It's designed to be a starting point for active participants in the global digital asset space. So if you check right here, you can see these are some other stuffs they are talking about this Aivora app. So you can see, you can go and check it out yourself and see what they are saying. So let me go and check the community on X. So if I go to X and I search for Aivora, let's see if they have a community on X. So you can see they have a community on X here. You can see this Aivora. So if I check on it, you can see this is their community. So if I click on it, it's going to take me to this page and to this page on X, and you can see that these are their official page on Twitter, that is on X. So they really have a community on X, and it's still growing because right there you can see it has over 5,670 followers, and they're following 15 followers there. That is, they're following 15 accounts there. So if you go down, you can see their pin message and what they are saying here. They are saying Aivora official guaranteed airdrop is live. Join our official airdrop and have a chance to share more USDT as reward. So this is just some airdrop stuff about the exchange they're talking about. So if you go down, you can see more posts which they drop about the exchange. So this is their community on Twitter or on X, and is quite new because if you check the date, is about, it was created about December 20, a year ago, and you can see account base is a West Asian account and since verified since June 2025, and you can see some of the informations there. So tell me what you think about this exchange, if it's suitable to trade the crypto market, or if you have more opinion about this, just drop it as a comment below this video, or you can also go to my Telegram community and we can discuss in details there on what you think about this. So that's it, and this is what I really have to share with you on today's video, and I hope you enjoyed it. So before you leave, please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Telegram community so that you're not missing interesting updates. So thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna be seeing you next on the next video. Peace.